Okay, welcome guys to the next Blender tutorial. So, today we're going to be making a coffee table with a little underlighting. So, we're going to go and put on our posh pants and create this. So let's go ahead and delete the default cube, add, and we're going to go ahead with cylinder, shade smooth. Just go ahead, scale that out, and then you just want to go and scale this down just as such. And then we're going to do edit mode. Let's go to the face at the bottom. We'll go E for extrude. Just scale that in. And then E for extrude again. And we're going to go E for extrude. And then just scale this outwards just slightly and give it a little bit of a bevel. So we've got something like this. Let's go ahead with Control and R. Scroll. And this is where our lighting is going to be. So let's go ahead and select all of these faces right here. Make sure that you've got all that selected. Let's go on to the Materials tab, New. And we're going to go with the original material as black. And then we'll press plus. And this new material is going to be lighting. So we'll have a nice little purple with this for the lighting. Let's go ahead and change this principal BSDF to emission. Again, add that nice little purple. Just there. And if you've not already, go to the render tab, change out EV to cycles. Come back to your material tab. And we're going to just press render right here, and we're going to click assign for the underlighting. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add a plane just underneath, and I'll press S to scale just in a moment. Let's go with add, plane, S to scale, G, bring this down just to underneath the table, and I'm going to get rid of this light right here. So the black that we should have on the table, let's go ahead and set that up. So we should have this nice black top right there. Metal, we could go up with metal, go down with roughness, so it's a nice shiny table. I'm going to go ahead and add a plane again. Scale this across and add an emission to it. Let's go with G. Just going to go ahead, scale this down. New. And then principal BSDF switched out to emission. So we can see that nice little shine on top. Yeah, we're definitely in cycles. That's great. Okay, so I'm just going to make the black background real quick. Kind of just turn that into a darker grey. And then I'm going to go ahead and up this emission just ever so slightly, so we've got that nice little coverage just at the top there. So we should be able to see the lighting coming across. I'm going to actually strip light it. Let's press S. Shift D, move that across. Shift D, move that across. And then just turn down the strength on that as well. Just so that we can see the tabletop just there. And then I'm just going to change this one to black as well. So we can kind of see the tabletop. But what I'm going to do, let's make a new material right here. Turn down this metallic just ever so slightly and up this roughness just a little bit as well. So we have that slight reflection, but we can see the table as well. So, let's take these, just scale them across just a little bit more. And then I'm just going to edit the purple so that the emission is a little bit higher. And then I'm going to scale out this floor as well. So now you can see that we've got this nice little coffee table. This would be great for, say, like a gaming piece or maybe a bar scene or something like that. I'm going to go ahead and let's put view and align camera to view so that we've got this. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed the tutorial, please like, subscribe. Absolutely would appreciate it. I will see you in the next one. Bye.